It's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you would do.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Guess what we have today? Okay, we have some nail mail. All right, so these products came from AfroGlamNails, and as I told you guys, I am a brand ambassador for this lovely company. Okay, so I already been in it, y'all know me. I tried to wait, but I just had to open it up. So this is how it comes, like this, wrapped in the paper. And this bottle is perfect, and I want to tell you why in a second. But this just kind of, you know, protects everything, so that's great. As soon as I got to my job, I got the notification that this package was delivered. So this was outside all day, y'all, all day. Okay, it was outside all day. I'm just checking in here, making sure I took everything out. But it was outside all day. So when I opened it, and to see that, you know, the cap is sealed, nothing leaked out, nothing spilled out, that was just great. So she also sent me some of these cute little charms, okay? And it comes with 10 in here, and you can find all of this on her website. And of course, I'll have the link in the description, and I'll have my coupon code and all that good stuff, so y'all can save a few coins or something, you know. But her acrylics, this one is from the Mary's Garden collection, and this one is hibiscus. So let's open this up, and woo, y'all know I love a good pink. Okay, so this is so pretty. I can't wait to show you guys this. And she also sent some other goodies. Look at this sparkly business card. This is so cute. And we have, of course, some care instructions, some tips, all of that good stuff, so that you can better use the product. So you're not just getting this stuff and, you know, you don't know what to do with it. Okay, she's telling you everything you need to know. So this bottle here, okay, it is a lot similar to the bottles that I am using. So what I can do is just take this cap off and put it over here. Okay, so I really like that, that I can just, you know, kind of use the same method. As you can see, I am almost out, so this is right on time. I can't wait to try this. This is supposed to have less odor, and that's something that, you know, we're all looking for with our enhancements. So I can't wait to try this. But I like how it's kind of, you know, the same bottle, so the cap should fit, so that will just be perfect. We have the EMA monomer, okay, for professional use only, which is what this says. So I mean, hey, I can put this cap on here and leave her label on and go, you know what I'm saying? Look, y'all, we doing the thing. Okay, so I'm excited. So let's get this ready. I'm going to be using this brush. It's a number 12, and let's try this hibiscus out. Okay, so I'm just going to pour some of this in here, and I'm pouring it down the barrel. This is how I typically would do it, but having that little applicator is a lifesaver. Okay, so I set up one of my little practice fingers. I put a tip in here backwards, and then I glued a tip on. And I have some of my AGN monomer here in this dapping dish, and I'm going to swatch the hibiscus, okay? So I'm dipping in the monomer. Now I have this open and I don't have a mask on. And I'm just gonna put it here. Now as you can see, I set it there. It's not, you know, running all over the place. Gonna kind of work with it and walk it down. So this product is very beginner friendly. It's going to give you some time to work with it. So I'm going to go in with another bead. And I hope y'all can see me pick it up. So I'm going to brush it up into the other bead. And then I'm going to take it down. And this color is so pretty. So this one I am doing standing up in the camera. So I'm going to do another one sitting down. But even with having like a camera in my face trying to do this, it still looks good. It's all smooth and everything. So let me let y'all see me pick up a bead. I'm gonna put this bead up here. I'm gonna hold the finger down. So that looks pretty. Look at it shine and glisten. So I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna sit down for this one. So as you can see, it was kind of taking me a little second to get used to the liquid to powder ratio, but it is very easy to work with. Of course, when I start using this exclusively, then of course, you know, I'll have that ratio down. But the ratio does depend on the product that you use. So you can use this with her powders and other powders, okay? So I will definitely be showing you guys more of this monomer with my Model 1s, with my Mia Secret, with my Double Dip, with all of my different powders, so you guys can see what it's like. And of course, you know, along with that, I will be getting used to how much liquid I need and how much powder I need, as with every, you know, new system change, whether you're changing monomer, changing powder, you know that it takes a second to kind of get used to that. But I am just so happy with the product so far. The smell, it smells good. Like it smells like some candy or something, which is crazy. Like, you know, monomer that you are okay smelling it. It just sounds like, what? So that was a weird kind of feeling. I really like this hibiscus color. It is right up my alley. I have already put in an order for more colors, so definitely keep an eye out for that and get you some, okay? If y'all at home doing y'all nails and that monomer y'all using is stinking up the house, get y'all some of this, okay? If you do not know, there is a proper way to dispose of your monomer, okay? Please don't pour it down the drain. You want to get a napkin or something and put it in there and just soak it all up. Put that in a plastic bag, because if not, you know, the vapors are going to be released in the air, and that is why you smell it, okay? So make sure you guys are disposing of it properly. But this smells really good, okay? Smells like candy or something. So I don't know if it's the monomer. I don't know if it's the combination of the monomer with the hibiscus, or if it's me looking at these kawaii charms. I don't know what it is, but I smell candy. So hey, order you some good smelling monomer, all right? So look at these nails, y'all. Y'all saw how I just glued that chunky tip on top of there. I did not blend the tip or any of that, and look at how nice and smooth that is. No filing done, okay? No filing, all right? And I wanted to show you guys this. I didn't let you guys read it. The monomer setting tips tells you about the setting time. The time is about 40 seconds depending on the temperature, and it has ways for you to speed it up and slow it down. And this is upon your arrival, okay? Few tips before the fun begins, okay? So unwrap it and let it sit for 1 to 2 hours. And I told y'all mine was outside. I could not turn back around and come home. I was already at work. So it sat outside in the heat for a while. But I mean, hey, it's you know, it held up. She had it packaged nicely, so I didn't have any problems. And with the acrylic, she tells you to, you know, open it slowly. And she has tips for her sugar scrub as well, y'all, okay? I'm going to have the website and my coupon code and everything in the description bar, so you guys can buy you some of this monomer and get a discount. And she has samples, y'all, so if you don't feel comfortable buying a big bottle of it, just buy a sample, okay? Buy a sample, try it out, see if it's, you know, household approved, husband approved, kid approved, salon approved. You know, check it out, get you a sample, and from there get a gallon, you know, get what you need, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This will definitely not be the last time you will see this. Look at this cute logo. It's just so cute. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, okay? Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.